Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, not just your law mentor, but your guide in entire CMA journey. And today I'm making this video to discuss something which is the need of the hour. मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. Just close your eyes for a moment. Trust me and close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. It's result day. Your hands are shaking. You enter your roll number, click submit, and on the screen you see that one word you've been longing for. Congratulations. That moment, आपका future, it may have changed on the result day or it may change on the result day, but it is actually created months before. लगता है कि your result is decided on the exam day or the result day, but it is actually decided long before. Result day only announces it. With every chapter you complete, every mock test you attempt, every distraction you say no to is a vote for the future you dream of. The next 120 days can become the turning point of your career if you use them wisely. So, are we good to begin? Let's discuss a crisp and quick strategy on how to crack these difficult exams with whatever time we have in our hand now. If I say 120 days, I basically mean 90 plus 30 days, as you can already see. So, हमारी preparation is divided into two phases, है ना? Because phase 2 or the last 30 days should basically be left for revision, because I strongly believe कि आपकी सारी पढ़ाई goes into that waste if you do not revise it. So revision is highly underrated and should be given more importance. ठीक है, तो लास्ट 30 days तो रिविजन के लिए छोड़ दो. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट द एंटायर सिलेबस, देन ऑल्सो रिवाइज वॉट एवर यू हैव कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है, एंड डू द FAQs. दैट इज इट. ठीक है, नाउ first 90 days what should be done? Building your foundation. Man kare na kare, because let me tell you, discipline is choosing your dream over your mood. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि मन नहीं कर रहा है, but that's what you have to do. Now, if I say these 90 days should again be divided into set of 3, that's 30, 30, 30 days. The first 30 days you should target on completing the syllabus minimum 60%. Minimum. अब ये करना कैसे है? इसमें कुछ चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है. The first thing is your 70-20-10 rule. Basically, whatever you're studying, if you're studying for 1 hour, make sure that 70% of the time should be devoted to the high weightage topics or high weightage chapters. 20% to the medium weightage and 10% to the low or unpredictable. Don't spend 3 days trying to master a chapter that historically carries only a few marks. कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है. Secondly, you should learn to move on. बहुत बार I've seen students stuck कि नहीं 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 20% is still left. You should not wait till you're fully prepared to move to the next topic or next chapter. If you understand 80% of the chapter, move ahead. Return during revision time to polish the remaining 20%. Okay? Progress is important and progress will eventually beat perfection. So do not chase perfection at the moment. You have to chase completion. ठीक है, कि यहाँ चीजें हो गई. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट सो इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, आई हैव अंडरस्टूड इट रफली, लेट मी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, राइट? बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट स्पेंड सो मच टाइम टू दिस लो वेटेज टॉपिक. Got it? During this process, you have to just stop collecting resources and trust one resource. बहुत बार this is a common mistake with students do, that they're buying multiple books or maybe downloading endless PDFs in this digital era. You just need one teacher, one book, one question back and maximum revision. ठीक है, तो just trust that resource. Fine. Next thing is, every 30 days you have to ask yourself, what have I completed, what have I forgotten, what am I avoiding, or what are my mistakes? So many a times your marks are actually hidden in your mistakes. So you should always have a place where you are noting down your errors, the questions that you're forgetting, the provisions that you're unable to get, right, which are important, right? So revise this maybe weekly. So your weakest areas will be revised so many times कि आपका वो काम बन जाएगा. ठीक है. So this is something that you have to keep in mind when you are doing or when you're completing this before you sleep, because I have written here minimum 6 hours of sleep, which is very important, especially during these last 10 days, I would say, where you give the maximum that you can. पर इसी समय, because unless you sleep you will not be able to give your best, right? So minimum 6 hours of sleep तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, इतना समझ लो. हाँ, कभी कभी बच्चे बोलते हैं कि नहीं मैम अब तो कल तो एग्जाम है तो ओनली 5 hours. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर सिचुएशन, बट नॉट मोर, राइट? बट बिफोर स्लीपिंग देयर शुड बी अ लास्ट 15-minute rule. Whatever you have studied during the day, don't learn anything new, just try to recall it, active recall without opening the book. ठीक है. And there has to be consistency. When I am saying 9 to 10 hours of study, you have to study no matter what. अब नहीं तो कब, ये सोचना है. अगर अभी भी नहीं किया तो समझ लो कि फिर कभी कर भी नहीं पाएंगे, राइट? So first 30 days, this should be the target. The next 30 days should be the target to complete the entire syllabus. So whatever remaining chapters, topics, subjects are there, you have to decide what is there with you. If you have completed the chapters, great. Then the revision should begin, right? And I have given ample of guidance even on my YouTube channel about law revision and everything, right? So you can see a lot of things and the guidance will continue. तो आपको आपके एग्जाम तक बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती रहेंगी, which is going to guide you as and when needed. ठीक है. So right now the target should be कि complete करना है पूरा का पूरा syllabus, whether it's whatever are the number of subjects that you have to study. ठीक है. अब आपके पास पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीटेड है, आपके पास नोट्स वोट्स तैयार हैं, आपके पास अमेंडमेंट्स अपडेटेड हैं. These last 30 days of the 90 days, first revision should start. This is the phase where your serious preparation begins. So you have to revise one completed subject, right? Analyze your mistakes, note your mistakes, right? Revise weak chapters the same day. तो अब आपको पता चल गया कि मेरे वीक एरियाज क्या हैं. यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड दैट एंड यू हैव डन वन कंप्लीट रिविजन इन दी स्पैन ऑफ 30 days. And now you know that if I am trying to attempt a question, what is the accuracy that I am getting? है ना, क्वेश्चन मेरा क्या पूरा सही हो जा रहा है? वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट. मे बी आई एम एबल टू डिलीवर ओनली 60%, सो समवेयर मेरी 60% एक्यूरेसी आ रही है. ठीक है. विद दिस यू मूव टू द लास्ट 30 days ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन, विच आर द गेम चेंजर. And trust me, the last 30 days do not create miracles. They reveal the work of the first 90 and even before. ठीक है. तो again we are going to divide these into set of 3. The first 10 days of the last 30 days will be rapid revision. हर चीज रिवाइज कर लेनी है. ठीक है. नो न्यू बुक्स, दैट्स द बेसिक रूल. द नेक्स्ट 10 days comes your mock test phase, where every alternate day maybe you can write one full paper in exam conditions, strict 3-hour timing, because when the exam is approaching very nearby, तो आप और पैनिक करते हो एंड मे बी यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गिव दैट मॉक टेस्ट. फिर लगता है नहीं नहीं यार ये पढ़ लेते हैं, 3 घंटे कौन बैठ के इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेगा. सो दैट thought process comes, right? So strict 3-hour timing, evaluate yourself honestly, and of course maintain an error notebook. ठीक है. तो this is going to help you develop that time management skills, right? Help you know the presentation accuracy, where you are, so that you can work on your mistakes. अगर last day आप mock test वगैरह कुछ करने पाओगे ना, तो you will not have the time to think and work on your mistakes. ठीक है. So last 10 days is that final revision. No time to study new topics, only the important things, right? Very trivial things you can leave, and light revision, focusing on mistakes, high weighted chapters, frequently asked questions, mistakes or errors that you have identified. And that is the time where you do not have to let your confidence shatter. ठीक है. So proper sleep and stay confident, no panic. ठीक है. Now when you are doing all of that, initially I would suggest that pick up 2-3 subjects, not more than that, and gradually you can add more, right? And weekly targets अपने आप को दो, and finish the syllabus before trying to master it, and revise every topic, maybe the difficult or the weak ones, frequently. Practice करना है under exam conditions, very important, right? It is going to help you immensely, and you do not have to sacrifice that sleep. ठीक है. Fresh mind definitely will score more than an exhausted one. ठीक है. तो काम करने देना है दिमाग को. ठीक है. So basically these are the things that you have to keep in mind. See, these 120 days are not about studying more than anyone else. I नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि दूसरों की रफ्तार देखकर मत घबराना, दूसरों की रफ्तार देखकर मत घबराना. हर सफर की अपनी एक कहानी होती है. अंत तक जाने से पहले, सफलता पाने से पहले, सपने पूरे करने के लिए सबको जी जान लगानी होती है. So don't worry about others. Your competition is in the topper. It's the yesterday's version of you. So the exam basically is going to reward you, because it doesn't reward the student who knows the most. It rewards the one who remembers the most on the right day and what is asked. ठीक है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इंटेलिजेंस चाहिए, ऑर्डिनरी डिसिप्लिन चाहिए, which has to be repeated even on the days which do not work in your favor. ठीक है. सो रिविजन को अंडररेट मत करना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड प्लीज फोकस. These are the days where you can focus on completion of syllabus, and whatever syllabus you have completed, maybe 70%, 80%, 100%, great. This should be reserved for revision. Okay? All the very best. Hope the video was helpful. Take care. Keep studying.